ballistic through the tyres. 2 corners left. Here we go, getting a bit squirrely and wiggly in there. Back under control now for Gambon. And drifts it through and across the line. OK, now earlier on, thank you, earlier on in the day, he went around in the Jag and he recorded a time of 1:23.3, so it goes there. And that's not bad, look, it's faster than the DBS. In fact, it's faster than any other Aston. However, in the GT-R, well, he did it in not 1:23.3, OK? A little bit higher than that. A little bit higher than an R8 V10 or a 599 or a 599 GTO. It's past the old GT-R. Still higher, past the Enzo. Higher, higher, higher. There. Unbelievable. 117.8.
So that's as fast as it's on the ref, which costs 4 times as much.
Yes.
And it's faster than a GTO Ferrari by a big margin, which is 4 times as much. Again, it doesn't make sense. Yeah. Anyway, we must now do the news.
Well, actually, before we get into the news properly, can I just say that sticking with the Nissan, it's very difficult to get a 4-wheel drive turbocharged car like that off the line quickly, except that the Nissan has a thing called launch control. It's basically just a computer that sorts everything out for you. So you plant your foot, wham, you're off, you get a perfect start every time.
Yes, there is just one problem with launch control. It is the stupidest thing ever fitted to a car.
Why?
No, seriously, because if you think about it, what you have to do to engage it, right, series of switches, and then you put your left foot on the brake, plant your right foot hard down on the accelerator, yeah? And when the lights go green, you take your foot off the brake and it goes. Computer sorts it out, as you say. So, OK, you're at the lights. No!